Hola chicos. Right, here's the starter. Translate this paragraph into English in your exercise book if you don't have it onto paper. Try not to use any resources, so try and do as much as you can just from memory, but if you are stuck, don't go to Google Translate, okay? You're learning absolutely nothing from that. Use your knowledge organizer to help you. Could you just pause the video, all right? Because it makes the video size smaller if I don't wait for the full 5 minutes. Give yourself 5 minutes to do that. Time yourself, okay? And then press play when you're ready to mark it. All right, you should have paused the video and written that into your book, given that a go. Grab a different color pen, preferably bolígrafo verde. And here is the mark scheme, okay? So I'll just go through the English. El año pasado, last year, 1 mark. Fui a España, I went to Spain, 2 marks. Con mi familia, with my family, 3. Donde celebramos, where we celebrated, 4. Un festival raro, a strange festival, 5. Que se llama San Fermín, which is called San Fermín, 6. Que tiene lugar en Pamplona, which takes place in Pamplona, 7. Sacamos muchas fotos, we took a lot of photos, okay, 7. Lo pasé bomba, I had a blast, 8. Sin embargo, lo malo es que, 9, however the bad thing is that, era peligroso también, it was dangerous too, 10. Ayer fui al parque, yesterday I went to the park, 11. Con mi amigo Joaquín, with my friend Joaquín, 12. Donde jugamos al baloncesto, where we played basketball, 13. Lo cual era aburridísimo, which was really boring, okay, and that's your final mark there. Add those up, put them in the back of your book or keep a note of them and we'll add them up when we're in school. Okay, so today we're looking at time phrases. Just write a little title there of time phrases, these 2 words. Underline it with a ruler, please. Keep it super neat. So time phrases are just those little expressions you use to link together 2 parts of a sentence, okay, to say what order things happened in. They're kind of like connectives you can use to link things together. The ones I would like you to write in your book are luego, then, and después. When we're copying, be really careful to copy this accent on después on the E as well. So when you've got those copied down in your book nice and neatly, let's have a look at a couple of examples of sentences, So the first one, fui a España donde celebramos la tomatina. Tiré tomates y después saqué fotos. So I went to Spain where we celebrated la tomatina. I've already used a linking word here, but this creates a relative clause. Here, I threw tomatoes and after I took photos. Now, of course, the sentence makes sense without después. I threw tomatoes and I took photos. But después tells us what order those events happened in, so it's adding extra information. Similarly, here's another example. El año pasado, mi familia y yo participamos en San Fermín. Luego, comimos en un restaurante tradicional. Last year, my family and I participated in San Fermín. Then, we ate in a traditional restaurant. So all we're doing with these 2 is linking together events in the past to help us really tell a bit more of a story and link together ideas. Okay, so here's your final task. I want you to give these sentences a go. Copy them extremely neatly into your book or paper, okay? So copy the English and then try translating them. Use your knowledge organizer if you're really stuck, but try and do as much as you can off the top of your head. Be careful that we're going to have to make sure we conjugate our verbs properly. Remember in number 3, I did is irregular, so you're going to have to remember that one or revise it using a previous knowledge organizer. I think that one is on your technology knowledge organizer, okay? So pause this video after this. This is going to be the end of the video, but listen, when you have completed this work, I want you to send me a photo of these 3 sentences written in your book. Then when I receive that, I will send you the mark scheme, but I will only send you the mark scheme once you've sent me the work completed. That's how I will know if you've done it. Now, obviously I'm setting this today, which is going to be Friday, and the emails won't be working over the weekend, so I understand that you might not be able to send that until Monday. That's absolutely fine and not a problem. All right, good luck.